Lutron Caseta Wall Plate Bracket. The Lutron Caseta Wall Plate Bracket is a highly efficient and reliable product that offers seamless control over your lighting system. With over 10 years of experience in product marketing and writing, I can confidently say that this product is a great addition to any home or workplace. One of the standout features of the Lutron Caseta Wall Plate Bracket is its easy operation mode. The on-off functionality allows users to control the lighting with a simple push of a button, making it extremely convenient and user-friendly. Furthermore, the contact type of this wall plate bracket is normally open, ensuring a smooth and uninterrupted flow of electricity. This, combined with the wireless connector type, eliminates the need for complicated wiring, making the installation process hassle-free. The Lutron brand is synonymous with quality and reliability, and this product lives up to that reputation.